DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Yeah, I say cause yeah man, Biggs got a lot of fans out here. I be see a lot of people requesting his songs. I'll be like, yo, yeah. So Biggs might be one of them underdog, but he got fans out here. You would say look up to him. Younger generation, you look up to him. They like his song, they like his music. And just seeing vibes. You see me kind of to push badness, you know what I'm saying? That's why you know how push cool and vibes. And that's enough of them youth, okay? Enough of them youth and the badness, you know, and the toughness. They just want artists and can relate to this cool, fun, enjoying. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, though, gang. Yeah. But anyway, the gang, we reacted on Biggs done. One of them custom. Biggs done been doing his thing. Biggs done making a wicked comeback, man. Biggs done can be a serious hit maker if you don't just stay on track. Keep that new style and flow going. You see when he come back with the song flow, you keep that same style and energy and pattern going. Yeah man, that will drop some mad hits and some. But anyway, I don't love vibe much longer. Jump. 1Biggs done custom. Let's get it. Hit the like button, gang. Hit the like button.
Disaster music.
Biggs done watch it, you know, man. You Pablo in a war, you know, bo bad juvie. Man, you and Pablo YG in a problem. Boy, you bad juvie. Me here, you know. Me here a while ago in a Biggs done. You see me? We don't know so Pablo YG think that. Nah, say yeah, Jay, but we just I say we don't want to hear out beef with nobody. Come in, let's get it.
Bitch, bad and steel, so dirty blood clot, cheap black and Draco, big food Alfredo, whip crews and skates, we dey on the line, sassy chop in the state, we dey on the grind, mommy house of a paint,
Come in, man, big but hey, wait, I dread this Biggs done now. I don't dread this Biggs done now. Come in.
Bitch, bad and steel, so dirty blood clot, cheap black and
Draco.
Big food.
Braids, thinking I got blood clean. Come in.
Alfredo, whip crews and skates, we dey on the line, sassy chop in the state, we dey on the grind, mommy house of a paint, girl have a shit.
Yeah, man, we dey on the mommy house of a paint. Come in.
Go at the jugger to be a dot. Money pa my mind, tell her pussy for wake up. Pussy watch your time in your cap in your lane toe. You strap with a Draco, fine, then a custom leader.
Come in, man. Wait, Biggs and pull it up. We like your flow. I like the flow.
Girl have a shake up, at the jugger to be a dot. Money pa my mind, tell her pussy for wake up. Pussy watch your time in your cap in your lane toe. You strap with a Draco, fine, then a custom leader. When the week out, when I just come brother, mama give me one more arm, I will spend some cheddar. Mama bring you pan and you're my queen, you're my treasure.
Easy now, come in. Easy, room. Come, I like this flow. Biggs done. I like this flow. Come in.
Ain't tell her pussy for wake up. Pussy watch your time in your cap in your lane toe. You strap with a Draco, fine, then a custom leader. When the week out, when I just come brother, mama give me one more arm, I will spend some cheddar. Mama bring you pan and you're my queen, you're my treasure.
Easy now, man. He want to give me music. Let me bring you pan in night, that. Hey.
Think your mama will spend some cheddar. When the week out, when I just come brother, mama give me one more arm, I will spend some cheddar. Mama bring you pan and you're my queen, you're my treasure. Yeah, anything your mama will spend some cheddar. My dog, we don't cap. Revo them a jagger, watch the crown drop.
Ooh, Biggs done. I'm liking this flow, man. Come in, Biggs done. Do your thing. Like this. Custom. Biggs done. Big up your. Hey, I gotta give it. I gotta give it to you. Come on, let's get it.
Yeah, anything your mama will spend some cheddar. My dog, we don't cap. Revo them a jagger, watch the crown drop. Them on a mission, we know that. Mommy drop the bees on the crowd top. A big Benz man a G4 that. The best a call it push a puff and never sniff out crack.
Hey!
Reach for this stuff.
Best weed a Cali. We are smoke. I never sniff out. Talk to them, man. Talk. Come in. Biggs done. Oh, you like this flow, bro. Yeah, man. Me like this. Yeah, man. This guy added to the playlist. Come on.
My dog, we don't cap. Revo them a jagger, watch the crown drop. Them on a mission,
we know that.
Mommy drop the bees and the crowd top. A big Benz man a G4 that. The best a call it push a puff and never sniff out crack. I feel reach for the stars and we know that. So come on mama who talk, so where the go fly. Custom leader. We no weak out,
We no just come, brother. We no weak out, we no just come. I want to you.
We spend some
Cheddar. Bring you up on the night, you're my queen, I'm a treasure.
Yeah, anything you want, we spend some
Cheddar.
We no weak out,
We no just come, brother.
Mama give me what me want, we spend some cheddar. Mama bring you up on the night, you're my queen, I'm a treasure. Yeah, anything you want, we spend some
Easy now, man, come in. Yeah, big Zan.
cheddar. See them nah no style like me. Louis V clean on my
like
jeans.
Easy. Hey, boy, Big Zan got a style now. You got style for your big you. Hey, dog, Big Zan. You want to step up a thing and get serious and more consistent to the thing, dog. That's how they play the thing, you know, brother. Big Zan, you're a star, yo. Dog, night star.
All of my thought that I'm bad like me. Shut the thought, try and scheme from a boy, try this.
This guy added to the playlist. Big Zan, custom. Custom, come in. Bombard. We not just come, brother. Hey. Yeah. Oh, Big Zan, custom. Yeah, man, I'm feeling this. This is a vibe right here, gang. We're not dropping a request, you know. Come just one straight bangers are going all night. Make sure not dropping a request, you know, gang. Come in, man. Big Zan. Yeah. Nigga slid on the beat, man. Yeah, and a couple of the artists upon the same beat, you know. If you don't know who else there on this beat, drop in the comment section. Drop it in the chat. Chat. Gang. Dan Mafia. Big Zan. What do you think about that one there? Let me see you rate the one there in the chat. I want to rate the Big Zan there. 1 out of 10 in the chat. Let me see it. I like the one that vibes, man. Get it added to the playlist. Big Zan did his thing, man. Big Zan be sliding, bro. Big Zan is very talented. No joke. Big Zan is very talented. Yeah, man, he's very talented, but you know, he need to be more consistent, bro. Cause he got the style, you know. You see me, I say. Hold on, man. Yeah, man, Big Zan. That's a vibe. Oh no, one next. Big Zan custom. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, man. Big up on yourself. Definitely show the artists all of our support. You know we do it over here already, you know. You see me, I say. Yeah, so definitely let me know if your part was. Who else? Who else you know want to see? Eh? Who else you know want to see? Why next one after that? 1 Big Zan custom. 1 Big Zan purge. Alright, before we do 1 Big Zan purge, I do the Skilly Bang Naji Boy next. You see me, I say? That one I was supposed to get out. I can't believe I haven't reacted to that one yet. That's crazy, gang. I reacted to Skilly Bang and Naji Boy track. But I get around to that right now.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.